Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering and positioning the Chromecast. Plug it into the TV HDMI and connect the USB power. Use the adapter if the TV USB won't supply enough current. Once done, switch the TV to that HDMI input and keep your phone or tablet within a few feet so Bluetooth and Wi-Fi pairing goes smoothly. Make sure you have your router's SSID and password handy because you'll choose the exact network during setup. You open the Google Home app and tap the plus, then set up device and new device. This discovers the Chromecast via Bluetooth. When you see an on-screen code pop on the TV, confirm it in the app. This prevents connecting to the wrong device. Next, allow location and Bluetooth if prompted, then select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. While naming the device may seem small, it helps you pick the right target when casting later. You finish by letting the Chromecast install any firmware updates. After the update, it will reconnect to your Wi-Fi automatically and confirm setup in the app. If it fails to join the network, reboot your router and power cycle the Chromecast, then try setup again. This clears transient network issues. If range is a problem, make sure you use the 2.4 GHz band or move the router closer. As a last resort, perform a factory reset to remove any stale.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.